Okay, I'll do a quick review on Walmart's Great Value Mocha ground coffee. This is 12-ounce bag, so a little bit under a pound. You make up to 42 cups of coffee with it. I'm not much of a coffee drinker. One of my roommates, that pretty much all he drinks, and the other roommate drinks coffee occasionally. Yeah, probably a couple too. Coffee a day. This is something they buy pretty often when they're out at Walmart. They seem to like it. I tried it. It ain't too bad. It ain't all that bad. Not too bad. If you want to drink coffee. The only time I really drink coffee is it's real cold outside and I'm trying to get warmed up, or I ain't had any sleep and I'm trying to stay awake. But here lately, it's having a problem with. That's a whole new story. I'm not gonna go into detail about that here on this video. Yeah, it's got pretty decent little taste to it. It's all you gotta do is put it in a coffee pot and let it percolate like you do any other cup of coffee. Any other coffee, just like you do with Maxwell House, Folgers, and the other name brands coffees. It's a lot cheaper. With it being Walmart's name brand, it's a lot cheap. It's a lot cheaper than what you would pay for with Folgers and Maxwell House and stuff like that. This is Walmart's Great Value Mocha ground coffee. You buy it at your nearest Walmart store.